Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 10th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, not a whole lot of price action going on today, but it is the day before CPI inflation data, so it kind of makes sense to have a little bit of a slow day. To me, it definitely looks like a possible, five ways down, like an A or maybe a wave one. This seems to me like it cuts into this move down. That's why we have our Fibonacci retracement on here for like a B or a 2. Hopefully, what happens is this continues to kind of drift up a little bit to one of these Fibonacci levels, and then tomorrow's CPI inflation data for the US hopefully causes this to go down for either a wave 3 or a wave C. We could possibly have finished a wave 3 on like the daily right here. We could possibly now be in a wave 4 on the daily time frame and then eventually back up for a wave 5. But if it is a wave 4 should potentially last at least a few days. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.